Well, Vietnam is at a critical turning point where it's moving from being a pure technology adopter to a technology innovator. So the world is watching to see whether it can make that leap. There are three critical factors that are driving this. One, of course, is the talent pool. For both demographic and educational culture reasons, Vietnam stands to produce a very large talent pool that could become experts in AI and semiconductors. The second is essentially the strategic supply chain shift. As you know, in the last 5 years, there's been a massive shift in supply chain security due to these considerations. And so Vietnam is benefiting greatly from that shift. The third key factor is, of course, policy and industry momentum. There's a strong alignment now between government initiatives and R&D investments, FDIs and so on.
FPT is driving innovation in AI and semiconductor design through key initiatives. We are building AI factories in Vietnam and Japan, powered by H100 and H200 GPUs of NVIDIA. FPT has integrated AI into over 200 products and formed strategic partnerships with leading names like NVIDIA, Microsoft, and Mila Quebec Institute. We are developing AI talent with an AI center in Quy Nhơn, aiming to train more than 30,000 students annually. FPT JetKing, a collaboration with India's JetKing Institution, is launching a semiconductor design program to support Vietnam's growing appeal to international investors like Samsung, Qualcomm, and Amkor.
I'm sure you know that AI is rewiring the semiconductor industry, from chip design to manufacturing automation. And I think Vietnam has a real opportunity to be a part of this transformation. So our collaboration ensures that Vietnam isn't just adopting AI, but also developing new AI technologies that can directly impact semiconductor and industrial operations. Given the example of Semicon, you can see that Vietnam in this collaboration can be more than just a manufacturing hub. It can be a source of world-class AI-driven innovation.
FPT and AITOMATIC share the same belief. Industrial AI isn't just about automation, but about capturing and scaling human expertise. FPT brings deep integration capabilities across industries, while AITOMATIC provides the Domain Expert Agent, or DXA factory, creating and scaling AI agents that deliver high accuracy and domain-specific outcomes. Together, we are delivering AI agents that empower companies to move from experimental pilots to production-ready solutions. The biggest opportunities lie in chip design and edge AI, where AI model runs directly on devices instead of on the cloud. The world is looking for new hubs of innovation, and Vietnam has the talent and the momentum to become one. There are two key ways of collaboration that can drive this shift. First, global enterprises can set up co-development labs in Vietnam, leveraging its growing talent pool to create shared IP and breakthrough technologies. Second, global enterprises can transfer cutting-edge knowledge, strengthening local expertise. Structured exchange programs will fast-track Vietnam's ability to compete globally, while companies can benefit from a skilled and cost-effective talent base. Both models will drive technological advancements while fueling sustainable growth, and FPT can become your partner in that innovation journey.
Vietnam is becoming a serious player in AI and semiconductor. The ecosystem is evolving fast, so companies that invest in AI-driven manufacturing and semiconductor innovation now will be the industry leaders of the next decade. FPT and AITOMATIC are showing what's possible when you bring this global expertise and you combine it with Vietnam's engineering strength. The time to engage is now.